What's up, guys? It's Static Crypto back again with another video, and in this one I'm gonna finally do it. I'm gonna give you the tips, the secrets, the real things you need to succeed in crypto. So drop a like, this is really important, and thanks for watching. Okay, tip number one. This is gonna sound kind of kooky, but so far it's worked. Trade the moon calendar. Or if you're an investor, invest the moon calendar. If you look at the past 3 full moons of this year in January, February, and March, those were great times to buy. On January 25th, that was relatively the low of January. February 24th, or around that time, you could have bought in for a good price. And even just recently, March 25th, I believe maybe a day or two before that was a better time to buy. But if you see how the price action lines up with buying on the full moon, and if you're a trader, selling a week to 2 weeks after that has made serious bank. So don't take this with a grain of salt. A lot of this follows human psychology. Look at the calendar and look at the chart. It lines up. Trade the moon calendar. Tip number 2, join a community. Whether you're on any sort of social media, you need a subnet group of people that follow and do the same thing. That way you can, do due diligence, cross-check yourself, look out for others, and making sure an opportunity is not a scam. Once you join a community and have trusted people there, you increase the chance of your opportunities hitting, and you decrease the chance of scams getting to you. So it's super important to follow like-minded people and join a community. Last one I'll give kind of coincides with both of the 2 first ones. Take calculated risk. In order to join a community, you might have to subscribe and pay a small fee and sit for a while as you look and review who the best people to communicate with are. Or you might just have an instinct on a person because they've made good calls and you throw money. All that takes calculated risk. You have to be okay with losing a little bit of money to learn something or hopefully to gain something. So take that calculated risk. That falls into trading the moon calendar too. Prices are going to do exactly what they want to do. Now that I've revealed this information, it might tank at that time, so it will be the worst time to buy. I really, truly don't know, but I'm just showing you insights that have worked in the past. These are a few good trips that have helped me, even in the last 3 months, gain a lot of money. I hope this helps somebody out. Let me know. Give me some feedback. Appreciate everybody watching. Take it easy.